My name is Jonathan, studying the voice administration. Point of views, the technology in the bodies. From my points in views, I consider that technology is cause irreversible damages like everyone such as global warming, due to need the forest, la vast majority, the usual activities. It hard dies to die produces poisons, whether skies, light in atmosphere. We watch final receptors in the bodies. Every time we was electric means the transport, medicine, cleans production, heating food was produced has enough directives. Poisons wastage. These policies usually come from the transport, industrial emissions, hard emissions, France LCDs, otherwise country cities. These are the negatives, but about technology, hidden body, boots, west cans, also sees stays positive, that his contributes to everyone. It contributes to environmental cars, such as recycles, the development, deliver form of the energies. Technology offers humanist advances in her daily life. What whose heart towards hot, the whose his to stand the environment. That is hard myth. The subsistence is not affected. Thank you.